So in terms of making incentives more sustainable, I think one of the things that's come out of the pandemic is that people are looking more at UK incentives or incentives closer to home. That might have happened because of travel restrictions, but actually we can build some really great incentives in the UK. If you do want to go further afield, we can look at the programme and make sure that the activities are local, that you can walk or use public transport, maybe incorporate cycling, that we're using local supplies on the ground. We can do all of the things around reducing plastic, reducing food waste. There's plenty of options available to incorporate sustainability into event incentives. So in deciding the best mode of transport for a better carbon footprint, you might want to consider event destinations closer to home, or of course if flying, looking at the most direct route possible. Maybe offsetting carbon emissions. BCD have produced an ISO-accredited carbon calculator to help event planners choose the best destinations for their event. To create CSR experiences on events that have a legacy following that, I think it's important to build relationships with the suppliers so that you can keep in touch with them and see the benefit of the work on the programme after the event. Building sustainable delivery into company culture is essential at the moment. It's such a hot topic. It's taken a backseat in the pandemic, but I think most companies want to bring it back to the forefront now.